Hello, this is Jeff from Vocal Boost to Go. Today I'm going to show you how to hang acoustic panels. Now, we came up with these unique acoustic panels, and some lucky customers already got that. And this is great panels, but as being tradition of Vocal Boost to Go, we don't send any instructions. So today we're going to show you how to do it. Now, I have all these tools. What are you doing? Huh. Well, I guess you don't need all this stuff, and really, you don't need any of these tools. All you need is a push pin. Well, so apparently there's an easier way to do things. And now we're going to show you different methods how to hang the acoustic panels from Vocal Boost to Go from the most easiest to the least obvious. Now, the easiest way, as you saw before, just to use the push pin. These panels are thick, very sound absorbent. This particular panel gives you 91% absorption and has the thick fibrous backing. So when you use the push pin, you simply select some of it, push the pin through it, like that, and push it into the drywall. That's it. Now, you can select different push pins, of course. You can use this regular one. You can use the one with the larger cup and longer needle. You can use the one which is called T-pins. And this might be even better solution because you can easily go right through at an angle like that and push it into the drywall. So it's going to provide, you can push it long in the drywall, provide better support. Well, if you like some colors in your life, here, you can use pins like that. That's also fine. Now, if you do something more high-tech, you can totally use the hooks, the screw hooks. You screw them in, but then you would have to cut a little bit over here and hook it on that. Now, me, being a man, I cannot sleep if I didn't hammer something in. So I would use the nails. I would totally use the nails, and I would feel very masculine because that's what I would do. But it's not necessary. Now, that panel you can hang from one point, no problem. This one, you would probably want to have two push pins, one here and one there. Well, nail it.